Have you ever spent months or even years learning a language only to realize you still can't speak it confidently? You're not alone. Most language learners fail not because they lack talent, but because they're following the wrong approach. Today, we're going to uncover why this happens and how you can finally fix it. Here's the reality. Most people rely on memorizing lists of words, following random lessons, or practicing in ways that feel productive but actually aren't. You might complete apps, repeat drills, or cram grammar rules, yet you hit plateaus, forget everything, or freeze when speaking. Why? Because language learning is a skill, not just knowledge. And without a system, feedback, and real communication, progress stalls. The fix is simple but rarely taught. Learn smarter, not harder. First, focus on high-impact skills across 10 core areas: vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, multi-word expressions, reading, writing, speaking, listening, pragmatics, and cultural understanding. Second, use a structured roadmap with levels that show exactly what to learn and when. Third, combine AI tools for practice and human guidance for nuance. AI drills and assessments help you practice efficiently, while humans correct pronunciation, pragmatics, and cultural cues, the areas machines can't fully replace. Finally, track your progress with rubrics and measurable goals. Every hour becomes purposeful, every mistake a chance to improve, and every skill a building block toward mastery. Language learning doesn't have to be frustrating. By following a clear system, focusing on the right skills, and blending AI practice with human feedback, you can finally break through plateaus and achieve true fluency. Most learners fail not from lack of effort, but from lack of strategy. The good news, with the right approach, you can fix it and succeed.